Hi again. So next we have Nitin. And so Nitin, I'd love for you to tell us what you do, because I think when you came in and you told people your business, there was some, you could see lights coming on in people's eyes. There was an instant recognition that this is something that's super valuable. So please share what you do.
Thank you. Thanks again for the opportunity. What we do is we help develop 21st century skills. We are living in a changing world where it is extremely important for children to develop skills along with the traditional education system. Skills like problem solving, critical thinking, logical thinking is what we need to develop. To develop skills, we need tools. Like to develop a skill for balancing, you need a bicycle. We use robotics and coding as our tools to develop skills for children, which teaches them entrepreneurship along with problem solving, logical thinking.
Amazing. So when Nitin came in and did this, we had been talking about looking at people's challenges, and we continue to do that, and a number of challenges around this space came up. But I think there was just it generated a huge amount of discussion around the future and what these technologies can do. For you, was there anything new that came up in that discussion, or was that a fairly standard discussion about this area?
No, I think the most important thing is people recognizing that there is a need for change, okay, and we need to get up and we need to do that change, right? Everybody needs to be educated around the changes that are required to survive in this century, and I'm glad that people acknowledge that in the room, so that was very useful.
And also, we did talk a little bit about your business model and how that can grow. And also, you were able to contribute to some of the other challenges that were in the room. So could you talk a little bit about the value that you think you provided, and any value that you took away from the discussion as well?
I think meeting in groups like this is extremely useful because it's all about connections. Like you said, I really like the word that men are fixers, right? So I really take that back home, because it really sits with the values that we do. Wherever we can help, we'll try to problem solve, we'll try to help. And I was glad that the room was able to contribute towards the solutions that I'm looking for to grow my business. We are at growth stage, and we require more franchisees and more business owners to expand, right? So thanks for the opportunity and giving us the platform to do this.
Well, what I'm looking forward to is following your journey and seeing you succeed and seeing you grow and increase those franchises. So I'm hoping that we can see that happen, and I can see you and continue to work with you on that journey. So Nitin, thanks ever so much for coming along. How's it been since we stepped out of the room and into a room which has women in it as well? What's changed?
I think a lot has changed, so the ratio is definitely different between men to women. Yeah, it's good to interact and see so many females getting into business, having that entrepreneurship spirit, and it is so motivating to see so many people come together, and seeing women in business as well, being shoulder to shoulder with men, where it was very men-driven society where they used to say that all decisions are made by men. So it's a great thing to see.
Nitin, thanks again.
Thank you.
And I'll see you at the next one.